from just a few minutes with her coaching me on where my arms need to be, that I'm in my head and so forth. And you saw the result.
It's fully extending because the goal is to jump over it. Now, if you just go like this, right, the rope is going to come here. And if the rope is there, you're not going to be able to jump over it. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So every jump is a number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Let me see it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what's happening is you're overthinking and you're starting to slow down. All right, so you're slowing down when you're anticipating doing the cross. You want to maintain full control of the rope at all times.